This one AI feature inside of GoHighLevel can replace 90% of your work if you do it right. And in this video, I'm going to prove it to you. Most people are still doing everything manually, but the feature I'm about to show you can do it in seconds. Let me show you how. The AI feature I'm talking about inside of HighLevel is the new Ask AI. Now, I created a video on this that had certain use case, but in this video, I'm going to show you something a little bit different, something I've never shown anyone, which is a way to talk to your CRM and have it do the work for you. I'm telling you, this is the future. You have to learn this. This will make your life easier, your clients easier, and it could potentially make you a ton of money. So, able to get this Ask AI feature, you need to come to settings, you need to go down to labs, and you need to go all the way down until you find the almighty Ask AI and toggle it on. Now, what I'm going to show you is one very powerful way that this can take up to 90% of your work away. Because essentially what this is it is a prompt where you ask it questions and it does things inside the CRM. Okay, I'll link my old video. Well, it's not old, it's like 2 weeks at the end of this one if you want to see other use cases, because there's so many different things it can do. But essentially you ask it something, you type it in, and it does the work for you. So what I'm going to show you is something that would take normally very long and a very finicky process and have it done in seconds. Okay, by the way, if you want high level any of this stuff, I got that 30-day free trial, so check it out. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into contacts and we're going to do something very, very interesting. So what we're going to do is we're going to dial in this CRM using Ask AI, but I'm going to show you the original way to do this that is a pain in the ass, which is what you have to do. So there's no contacts in here. So if I wanted to get a ton of contacts in here, let's say a list, today we're going to be using this fake list right here. Okay, again, this is fake. These are not real emails and real phone numbers, but it's for the video. So if you see any names that you think you recognize, don't worry, I just totally generated them. So we're going to come right in here. And if we were to do this the old way, because this is what you would do, you would come right into contacts, you would click import, and you'd have to go through this entire 4-step process. It's annoying, okay? You'll see. You have to go to next. You have to put your list in. You have to go through all this stuff. You then have to map it. You have to make sure each field is right. Then you have to verify. It's a whole little process where you're going through making sure everything is tweaked properly and dialed in, and these things map, and then sometimes there are errors. This alone right here with finding your list, uploading it, going through this entire 4-step process, because when you go to map, it's all of the mapping. It is about a 7 to 10 minute process. People know what I'm talking about. Sometimes it can take up to 20 minutes. Then once you have them added, you then need to come in here to settings. You need to go right down to tags, and you need to add tags. Yes, you have to go through and click new tag, create it, and go through. It's about a 15-minute process to fully have everything looking perfect, okay? 15-minute process to get your list inside of here. I'm going to show you with Ask AI how you can do this entire process and even more. You're going to see I'm going to stack stuff on top of it in literally seconds. Everything I'm going to show you in this video is legit, and I recommend you try it because it will blow you away. So that's the old way. That's what you would do before. Okay, you go in here, and it takes time, and it's annoying if you're a beginner too because things don't make sense. But watch this. Instead of doing that, I'm going to come to Ask AI. I am just going to copy this entire list. Just like this. I'm going to copy it. Okay, click copy. I'm going to come right back in here. I'm going to do please add this list contacts and add 2 tags. So again, I'm not even creating the tags. It's going to create them for you. Remember I showed you how to go to settings and create it? I'm going to have to do it. And I'm going to make these tags up. We're going to have super AI and AI leads. All we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this entire list, and we're going to click let's go. Boom. Look at that. It went through every single contact, properly formatted, and said all 95 contacts will be tagged super AI and AI leads. Again, creating all that. Do you confirm? Reply yes. All I have to do is click yes. Remember, there's no guesswork. There's no me going through and formatting fields. I just tell it what to do. It asks me how, and then it executes. Boom. Look at that. It went through, says they're all done. Every contact is now in your CRM. So the moment of truth, we come to contacts and we click it. Look at that. Is that not insanity? It did all of that for us. And look at the tags. It put in the tags. It did all of this. I mean, you guys have to understand how insane this is. This is like me putting in a couple little things right in Ask AI, and it did all the work for me. Like, this is giving beginners the most unfair advantage. And guys, this is one little example. I mean, you can go infinite, but now we go to opportunities and we're like, I like opportunities. Let's add some in. So we come in, we go add opportunity, come click each one, go through. through, do all that, or we could import the same list as we did before. Just takes way too long to add it to our opportunities. You know what, let's do? Let's just add all these leads right on in. So we're going to go right here, and now I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go, okay, we're going to take it a step further, okay? Because I'm like, I don't want to do the work. I want the AI to do said work. I'm going to say, okay, thank you. Can you add all of these contacts to my pipeline? See what it says. Perfect. It's asking for clarification. I found 2 pipelines. Yes, this is true. Which one or 2? You know what? We're going to do 2. We're going to say 2 and put them in cold lead. Let's see what it does. Boom, look at this. Now it's saying reply yes. I'm in the cold lead stage, verifying, which is perfect. I'm going to click yes. Now let's go through and let's see what this did. You saw the pipeline. It was empty. Let's see what it does. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. All contacts have been in. Let's see. Moment of truth. We go to opportunities. See if it did it. Oh my gosh, 95. Look at that. It did it all for me. It just plugged 95 contacts right in like that. I mean, this is just insane. Now, I can keep going with this. I can legit do stuff like this. Now send email and SMS to all these contacts saying, welcome to the program. Go watch this. This is absolutely insane. So boom, it comes right in. It can send bulk email. Now I don't have a phone number set up, so it is saying this, which is good. You want it to say, you don't want just to glitch out. If I had a phone number, it would, but I can immediately send all of these emails and have to do the customization. Now, I'm not going to do this because this is fake, but I tried this on a real account. I went through, I legit did it, and it sent all of them text messages and SMS. I'm not even kidding. I recommend you try it. It is insane. It will go in and it will hit all of these contacts. It can even do that. So you can immediately come in and just be like, all right, go message these people. Go do this. Add the task. You just tell this thing what to do and it does it for you. So much time. The thing too is when you do bigger tasks and let's say it takes a minute or 2 minutes to load or something like that, you can do this and then go do something else inside of GoHighLevel while this works for you. You see the power of this? It's like having an employee or multiple employees working for you while you're doing something else. It gives you way more leverage. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the future. And to be able to have things running in the background while you're doing it, it's just doubling your workflow. So you can take on more clients without having to hire more people. And this is all inside of HighLevel. It's Ask AI. Guys, this is insane. I mean, you do not understand how powerful this feature is. This is literally life-changing for agencies. So I recommend you play around with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video that's going to be my other Ask AI video where I go over building out products and a bunch of other use cases. This one was strictly contacts, like the CRM side of GoHighLevel, but there's so many other things you can do. I mean, like it is limitless. It can do all kinds of stuff for you in here. So it is extremely, extremely powerful. If you guys have any questions at all about any of this, drop in the comments down below. If you are interested in HighLevel and getting access to all of my bonuses, that's live calls, live trainings, learning how to sell this thing, because that's the most important. If you want to make money, you have to learn how to sell it, not just use it. There's the 30-day free trial link right down below, and you'll get access to all of my bonuses. I recommend you just click the link, just look at what I have, because I'm telling you, it is better than what anyone else has. If you don't believe me, look at the testimonials. I got more than everyone else, yada, yada, yada. I don't feel like yapping about this right now because your time is valuable, but check it out. I think you're really going to like it. And if you have a comment, drop it down below. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a video. It's going to pop up in a second. That's going to be Ask AI, and it's going to be going over other amazing, powerful things you can do with this. So thank you again for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.